Welcome to Awesome Care. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how we can merge one dictionary into another using the update method in Python. So if we have a dictionary D1 with some values, the key A and its value, then we have a key B and its value. So we are going to add two new key value pairs to this dictionary. So let's try that. D1 dot update, and we are going to pass in dictionary with the key value. So this will be name and its value be Tom. Then key will be age and its value. So now we are adding these two key with values to our D1 directory. After the update, the dictionary D1 will have these new key value pairs along with the existing one. So let's print now D1. And here is our dictionary with the update. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.